Magkalayo ngunit pinagtagpo, nagmahalan at nagsumpa. Pinagtibay ng pagtitiwala sa isa't isa at pinagbuklod ang mga puso. Kenz and Abby. Happy 14th Mansa. Kenz and Abby.
Stole my heart away, and I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when I'm close to you, there's a magic in your touch that just comes shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. That can only be you for me. You make it seem so right, oh girl, 'cause you turned me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away, and I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. In my mind, there's no other love.
Mga katropa, gusto ko lang batiin ang 12th Mansari, sina Kenz at Abby. Kenz at Abby, happy 12th Mansari sa inyo! Ay, gusto ko rin nga palang batiin rin ng happy 12th Mansari si Abby at si Kenz. Nako, munti ko na makalimutan, Mansari pala nila ngayon. Once again, happy Mansari, Abby and Kenz.
Good evening, everyone. From Mandirigat family, this is Tokyo. We would like to greet Mr. Ken and Miss Abby. A happy 1 and 2 months anniversary for them. Ayon. Stay strong and be faithful with each other. Ayon. God bless always. Take care.
Good evening, good morning po sa lahat. Nandito na naman po tayo ngayon sa araw na to. Magkiselebrate na naman po tayo ng 14th Mansari sa aking kaibigan na si Miss Abby at saka syempre ang aming owner Kenz. Ayan, hindi namin nakalain na aabot kayo sa ganito. Isa lang yung masasabi ko bilang kaibigan. Stay strong kayong dalawa. Alam kong magtatagal kayo, and congratulations kasi may baby twins na kayong dalawa. Basta tandaan nyo, nandito lang ako, si Silav, Honor Kenz, nandito lang ako palagi sa likod nyo. Alam kong nagmamahalan kayo sa isa't isa, at sana yung mga taong nasa palibot ninyo na mga toxic, wag mong iisipin si Silav. Basta tandaan mo, think positive ka lagi at alagaan mo yung sarili mo, lalo na ngayon na may twins kang dinadala. Basta nandito lang ako at anong mangyari, nandito lang ako, karamay mo palagi, nandito lang ako, sumbungan mo, nandito lang ako, dalawa niyong Honor Kenz, kasi alam kong napakabait din yung tao sa akin, kaya susuklian ko din yung kabutihan ko. Ayan, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa araw na to. Once again, happy 14 Mansari sa inyo, and then salamat sa aming mga walang sawang bumalik-balik dito sa BR para mag-concert. Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. And ayan, God bless us all.
Say, wait, they don't love you, I love you. Wait, they don't love you, I love you. Fantasía de amor.
Ayan guys, babatiin ko lang ng happy Mansari sina Beb Abby at ang kanyang minamahal na si Honor Kens. Ayan, stay strong lang sa inyong dalawa, Beb, and magmahalan kayo hanggat gusto nyo. And God bless inyong dalawa. Ingat lagi. Ayan, pagbati mula kay Diwata. Yun lang, thank you.
It's so very hard to find. I've looked inside myself. Now I'm very